It's a fry ball, big fry ball. Got him. Oh. Oh, I love fishing. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is David, and tonight my brother Matty and I are going to be doing some awesome Delaware snakehead fishing, getting out to a local spot, hoping to find some big fish today. And we're going to see if we can put a hurting on these snakeheads at one of our favorite Delaware snakehead fishing spots. You know, last time we were out, or last time Matty was out, he saw a bunch of fry balls out there, caught I think 5 snakeheads off of them. And these fish are like fully immersed in that kind of season right now. So we're hoping to take advantage of that tonight. Hopefully we can find some fry balls and get on some fish. And you guys are going to be there with us for every exciting second of that. So we got a couple hours here before it gets dark. We're going to try to get out there ASAP. But it's going to be a good night out there. And we are so excited you guys can join us. If you do enjoy today's adventure, hit a thumbs up down below, drop a comment, and subscribe. And enjoy the video. Here we go, everybody. Open your eyes, let's find some fry balls, let's find some fish. Beautiful night, whole place to ourselves. There's some turtles right there. Water's a little bit higher than normal, but that's all right. Gorgeous night. Here comes Mr. Motor up next to me. Where are you at? There he is. That's just not fair, but that's an advantage for us though, because he can stand up on that thing. Got the motor to power all these spots that we go to a little more easily. We're gonna try to get him tonight. Got the Snake Charmer OG orange tied on. And I think it's a good lure to have on right now. Always good on fry balls and stuff. Let's get fishing. Oh yeah, we got lots of duckweed tonight. That's gonna be good. This thing comes through the duckweed really well. We're due for a really good night of snakehead fishing here, like a good numbers night. I know we got our PBs not long ago, but I'd love to get on some numbers of snakes. And this is normally a good spot to do it. You guys have seen this one before. Something just came flying through right there. Look at them bubbles. This water's shallow, man. This water's real shallow. Oh! Nice! Dude, that's a solid fish. That's a solid fish. Come here. Heck yes. Hey, Dave. Just popped a beauty. Dude, let's frickin' go. Oh my gosh, first cast over here. Nice snakehead. Heck yeah. Heck yeah, solid fish too. It's almost got like a purple tint to it. That thing looks awesome. Open up. He's, oh my gosh, oh my god. Jeez, dude, jeez. Settle. Settle down. Oh my gosh, we need to get new grippers so bad. All right, guys, look at that snake. Beautiful. I love how they puff out their fins like that. Gonna go ahead and give him a nice little release. All right, I'm just gonna pop him off so he doesn't break his jaw with these grippers, but he's off. There he goes. Nice.
Beauty, brother.
I'm super excited, guys. I mean, that was an awesome catch, but there is so much to fish here. And that was just right there, first cast in here. And we have still about close to 2 hours to fish. There is a lot of fish to be caught tonight. I told David when we got out here, I just had a feeling. It looked so good, nice and calm. The water's pretty clear. Nobody was here. I'm in love with this frog too, guys. It's a perfect bait for snakeheads.
Just gonna throw along the edges, and I'm gonna... That was a small one, guys. That was a small one right there. But he freaking crushed that frog. I yoinked him out of the water. That is nuts. They are just thick in here tonight. Working this thing nice and slow. It could be popped more, but I don't, you know, with as calm as it is, I'm just, you know, giving it some action. Trying to make it look realistic. Give it a nice little pause once in a while just to, you know, let them think about it. Standing up is a totally different ball game too, because I can just get great angles on these casts and great hook sets.
Alright, we can't let Matty have all the fun. Let's get one for ourselves here. There's bait being chased all over the place. Tons of duckweed, cloud cover, tide's coming in, grass everywhere down here, water's clear. Cannot ask for much better conditions than we've got right now for snakehead fishing. Oh, fish behind it. Missed it. Come back again. I looked away. Took a nip at it and missed it. And these fish are active tonight. We just need one to commit. Holy crap, we're about to get rained on hard. I can hear that rain coming, dude. What the heck? Where did that come from? It's not supposed to rain and it's coming hard, man. What in the world? Let me get my phone out, try to keep it somewhat dry. Dude, we're about to get dumped on.
One waking on it, I think. Either that or that's rain. What? The heck? What is going on?
What the heck? Where did this come from?
What the heck is going on? Just started raining pretty heavily. What the heck? What the heck? Guys? What is going on right now? What is going on? It's pouring. Absolutely pouring. What the heck? What the actual heck? What the heck? What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? What is going on? What the heck is going on? What is this?
What in the world, man? I can't believe this. Oh, I love fishing. As long as there's no lightning, we should be able to wait this thing out. Wee woo, wee woo. I guess we know why they were turning on. I guess we know why they were so fired up. I could hear it coming. Did you hear it?
I had literally one popped on it. I'm like, what the heck? And then it just starts downpouring.
I think it's passing through though.
25 minutes.
25 minutes?
Whoa.
There was like a no % chance of rain. We're like a couple of wet rats out here, guys. Just got caught up in that rain. That explains why the fish were popping, but hopefully they're still popping. It's crazy. Look at the sunset now over there.
I wish we had more time, dude.
I know.
Fish this heavy.
I want to come back tomorrow.
A baby. Guys, look at that snakehead. David, he's probably only 13 inches long. Beautiful little specimen of a snakehead there. Let him go right back down on his way. There he goes.
It's gonna be tough to find fry balls now. Dude, I think that is a fry ball. It is, it's a fry ball.
I'm coming over.
It's a fry ball. Big fry ball.
I saw it, dude.
Dude. Big old fry ball.
It's a huge fry ball.
It's a big old fry ball. Here we go, guys. See if mama's home. Oh, look at that fry ball, dude. Where you at, mama? Dude, piss them off with that popping frog. Oh, man. They're big babies, man. Can you see? Because you got a better angle up there. I know there's a parent because we saw them from back there. I think I just saw one surface. Yep, that was definitely a snakehead. Got him! Got him! That's what I'm talking about, boys. That's what I'm talking about. I saw one surface here. I saw the reeds move over here. I saw one surface to my left. We are on a snakehead tonight after the storm. Survived the rain. Got a baby. Friggin' beautiful little northern snakehead. Absolutely yoinked the venom. Look at that down in his mouth right there. It's a great frog to have if you guys are getting into snakehead fishing or if you've been around it for a long time. Great, great frog to have. All right, guys, getting them off there. Don't have any pliers or grippers with me or nothing like that. Those have been casualties of war from my 15.6 pound snakehead. But man, finally got one. Survived the rain. Fish are popping all over the place. We have come to one of my favorite coves and it paid off.